Bark, bark!
Good boy!
Oh, wow!
Oliver, good boy!
Oliver, it's your turn to feed the dog, okay, honey?
Okay, Mom.
Is something the matter, sweetheart?
Yeah. It's just Elliot from Taekwondo. He said that Biscuit's not a real dog.
Oh, I see. Well, Oliver, I think that it's time you're old enough to understand that Biscuit isn't a real dog. Biscuit is a man in a dog costume.
Bark, bark!
Biscuit, speak.
Oh, I'm sorry. Creature of habit over here. Ollie, I'm sorry you're upset.
This makes no sense. Why would you have a man in a dog costume be our family pet?
Honey, do you remember how badly you wanted a dog?
Yeah?
Well, I didn't want to bring a dangerous animal into our home. I read all the time about dogs just turning on their owners, so I hired a man I could trust to play your dog.
And that's why I took the job. To be honest, when I first read your mother's post on Craigslist, I thought it was a rather unconventional casting call. No, I'm a dog. No,
Hey,
bark, bark. Hey!
Drop it.
Oh, sorry again, you know me. Yes, I'm an actor, yes.
Yes, he's a good actor. Who's a good actor?
I am. Bark, bark, bark.
Why would you act like my dog if you could act on stage or in a commercial or any other option?
Oh, well, when I booked this role, the role of a lifetime.
Biscuit, no.
Well, I wasn't having good luck booking stuff. So, I guess the stability kept me, yeah. In with a home and shelter and food and a family to love me, I guess, got harder and harder to leave. Yeah, you know, this is what those soap actors must always be raving about. Yeah.
Honey,
Soap actors.
you know I would do anything to keep you safe, including lie to you for 7 years.
But you ate kibble.
Craft services.
But you peed outside.
I follow directions excellently.
Biscuit, you cut your balls off.
Ollie, Natalie Portman shaved her head for V for Vendetta.
What's your real name?
My name...
Leave it. Leave it. That's a good boy. He wants a treat.
I do.
Wants to go to the house
Bark,
for a treat.
I do. I'm a dog.
He's not still a dog now, is he?
Oh, I guess I should have seen this day coming. I mean, I thought it would have come a long time ago. I honestly still can't believe it took you 7 years to sort of...
Mom!
Okay, I can't be the one to do it, okay? I can't.
It's okay. He's my dog. I know what I have to do.
You can't.
I have to. You're not a dog, you're an adult man, and I can't have you around here.
But Ollie, I'm your best friend. I'm your dog. Where will I go?
You can't stay here, alright? Get! Go on, get! Go book a commercial! Get out of here! Get! We don't want you! We don't want you! But I want your mother's face!
Well, if this is how you're going to put me down. Just send my last check to my manager then.
Hey, hon, you gotta be more careful with your things. I almost ran your bicycle over in the driveway pulling in.
Sorry.